Hi friends, it's me. Welcome back to class with Teacher Jaz for President.com. Okay, let's see. Oops, there I go. There he is. Letter C. Hey, repeat after me. Let's get it. C is for cool. C is for Christian. Bow your head. C is for car. Vroom, vroom. Yeah. C is for cat. C is for cake. Ooh, can I have a piece? C is for carrot. And C is for cabin. C is for caterpillar. C is for caregiver. What's that? A caregiver is a special kind of person who provides a service for people that they love and care about, even if they are strangers. Did that answer your question? I hope so. C is for caregiver, C is for caterpillar, C is for cabin, C is for carrot, C is for cake, C is for cat, C is for car, C is for Christians. And Christians are kind of cool. I'm Teacher Jazz, and I approve this message.